Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new home and office furniture. What we have to review in this video today is the SEDETA bookshelf. Now we're going to set this up in our bedroom because we have a bunch of books and knickknacks and everything else that we want to contain into one place, and this bookshelf has a bunch of different sizes and cubicles in there, and we just thought it would look great in the bedroom. Perfect size from what I've measured. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up and put it up in the bedroom and show you what it's all about. All right, so here is the bookshelf in the box it arrived in. It weighs about 46 pounds. We'll go ahead and get this unboxed and set up and show you the process along the way. So all the planks are individually wrapped, and you will see that they are protected corners here on each piece, so you know it's not going to get all banged up. So this bookshelf comes in a couple of different colors. We went with rustic brown, as you can see here, and it has a nice glossy finish on it. This is everything you need: the paperwork, the hardware, and all the variety of pieces. Let's get it going. Alright, so we have the shelf set up exactly where we want it in the bedroom here. We're going to get this all decorated with all the different books and knickknacks that we have, but overall this thing fit exactly where we needed it to. We got some artwork on the wall here and it just fit right in there. It sits just under probably 6 feet tall, and it can be utilized both standing upward like so and the long way. So hopefully you guys liked the video. If you want to pick one of these up for yourselves, definitely take a look at the link in the description below. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.